Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today, we're exploring the amazing world of the cockroach Periplaneta americana. We'll learn about its external features, body parts, and how its structure helps it survive. You'll also understand its exoskeleton, movement, and internal systems. And don't forget to join our daily biology podcast at 7 p.m. for a quick revision. Let's begin with the anatomy of this fascinating insect. As always in this slide you can see the syllabus and PYQ topics with their years so that you get to know what to expect in your exams. The cockroach, Periplaneta americana, is a bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomate insect from the phylum Arthropoda. Its body is covered by a hard chitinous exoskeleton that protects the organs and helps in movement. The body is divided into three parts, that is head, thorax, and abdomen. The head helps in sensing and feeding, the thorax helps in movement, and the abdomen has organs for reproduction and excretion. Each thoracic segment has a pair of jointed legs, and the last abdominal segment has cerci that sense vibrations, helping the cockroach stay alert and survive. The head of the cockroach is triangular and movable, connected to the thorax by a short, flexible neck. It has a pair of long antennae, compound eyes, and mouthparts for biting and chewing. Each compound eye has about 2,000 armatidia, giving the cockroach a mosaic vision like a picture made of many small images. The antennae act as feelers, helping the cockroach sense smell, touch, and vibrations, even in the dark. Its mouthparts that are labrum, mandibles, maxillae, labium, and hypopharynx, they work together for chewing food, making it a true omnivore. The thorax of the cockroach has three segments: the prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Each segment has one pair of jointed legs, used for running. The front legs help in balance, the middle legs in walking, and the hind legs give speed and push. Every leg has 5 parts, which are coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia, and tarsus, all helping in smooth movement. The cockroach also has 2 pairs of wings. The front wings or tegmina are hard and protective, while the hind wings are thin and used for flying. These features make the cockroach an excellent runner and glider, well suited for survival. The abdomen of the cockroach has 10 visible segments and shows clear differences between male and female. In males, the 9th segment has the male genital pore, and the 10th segment has cerci and anal styles are used for sensing and mating. In females, the Gonopore is between the 8th and 9th segments, and the ovipositor helps lay eggs in a protective case called the ootheca. Remember, anal styles are present only in males, but cerci are found in both sexes. These parts help in reproduction and sensing, allowing cockroaches to survive and reproduce efficiently. The cockroach has a complete and efficient digestive system with 3 parts: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. The foregut includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop, and gizzard. The crop stores food, and the gizzard with its hard plates grinds food mechanically. The midgut is where chemical digestion and absorption happen. Hepatic ceca release enzymes to break down complex food. The hindgut, ileum, colon, and rectum absorbs water and salts. Malpighian tubules at the junction of midgut and hindgut remove wastes and help in water balance. Together, these parts help the cockroach digest food efficiently and stay well adapted for survival. The cockroach has an open circulatory system, where the dorsal heart pumps hemolymph into the body cavity. The hemolymph is colorless and carries nutrients and wastes, not oxygen. For breathing, it uses spiracles and tracheae. Air enters through 10 pairs of spiracles and travels through tracheoles directly to all body cells. No lungs are needed. Excretion is done by Malpighian tubules, which remove nitrogenous wastes as uric acid and help maintain water balance. The cockroach has a ladder-like nervous system with a paired ventral nerve cord and segmental ganglia that control reflexes and movement. The brain, cerebral ganglia, and subesophageal ganglion coordinate senses and motion. Cockroaches show sexual reproduction and are dioecious, separate sexes. In males, the testes connect to the genital pore on the 9th segment. In females, the ovaries connect to the genital pore on the 2nd abdominal segment. Females lay eggs in a protective ootheca, each containing about 16 eggs. Let's quickly summarize the cockroach. It is a triploblastic, coelomate arthropod with 3 body parts which are head, thorax, and abdomen. The head has antennae, compound eyes, and biting-chewing mouthparts. The thorax has 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. The abdomen has cerci, anal styles in males, and gonopores for reproduction. The digestive system is complete, with crop, gizzard, midgut, and Malpighian tubules. Circulation is open with a dorsal heart, and respiration is through the tracheal system. The nervous system is ladder-like, with a paired ventral nerve cord and cerebral ganglia. Let's practice few questions to test your knowledge. Let's start with question 1. Which structure in a cockroach is primarily responsible for the excretion of nitrogenous wastes? Option A. Hepatic ceca. Option B. Malpighian tubules. Option C. Rectum. Option D. Spiracles. Explanation. Malpighian tubules is correct because they remove uric acid and maintain water balance. Hepatic ceca secrete enzymes, rectum absorbs water, and spiracles are for respiration, so these are incorrect. So, option B is the correct answer, that Malpighian tubules are primarily responsible in cockrack for the excretion of nitrogenous wastes. Now, let's move to question 2. The circulatory system of a cockroach is open. How is oxygen transported to the body tissues? This is a PYQ from NEET 2021. Explanation. Oxygen is directly delivered via tracheae and tracheoles, as hemolymph does not carry oxygen. Remember, open circulation plus tracheal system. When revising the cockroach, avoid these mistakes. 1. Open circulation does not carry oxygen, that's done by the tracheal system. 2. Anal styles are found only in males. 3. Cerci are sensory, not for movement. 4. Be exact with mouthparts, labrum, mandibles, maxillae, labium, hypopharynx. 5. Remember segment counts, thorax equals 3, abdomen equals 10, and gonopo positions differ in males and females. 6. Know the difference between crop and gizzard. Crop stores food, gizzard grinds it. That's the end of our lecture on cockroach. Make sure to revise key points like anal styles, gonopores, Malpighian tubules, and the tracheal system. Next, we'll study the frog, Rana tigrina, its external features, skin adaptations, and internal organs. Also, don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series for daily revision. See you in the next lecture.